this is where we can now use Plotly more better. So if we want a more interactive plot where we can visualize, zoom and all of that, we can do something like this. So if you look at this code, we are importing Plotly and then express as px. All right, and then we are giving it a figure and calling it dot scatter and passing it our data like we've used before, and then we are adding hover. You can see hover data. We want to see the separ width. Then we are giving it a title like we've done before, okay, and giving it also a size. Also we have the y-axis and the x-axis. So this is how you can use Plotly. So, and we call the figure.show method. So when we hit enter like this, okay, now ensure, if you look at it, ensure you have Plotly installed, because from what we have here, you can see that I don't have Plotly here. All right, it's not part of what we installed. So if you run it at your own end, you might not get it. All right, it might be asking you to install Plotly. So just do pip installed Plotly and then you can import it. And yeah, right. No, so now if you hover on this, you can see how we now have this thing showing us the information, and then we can zoom in. All right, we can zoom in into this. So if I decide to use this zoom, for example, and I zoom in, can you see? So I can know which one is the virginica, their centimeter length, petal length, petal weight, and sepal width. All right, I can know each one. So, and they are denoted by their colors that we've given them to separate them. So you can see the species as setosa, versicolor, and virginica. So these are the three species that we have been looking at, and you can see how Plotly allow us to create an interactive Irish visualization.